Most people who haven't used a foldable phone think that buying one is like adopting a demanding father, needing to be served carefully, fearing scratches, drops, bends, and especially water damage. But in our lab, there are plenty of torture devices waiting for this Honor Magic V6. Can it really withstand these extreme tests? First, let's examine this consistent true black diamond screen. Both its inner and outer displays achieve ultra-level standards. The outer screen boasts a global peak brightness of 2000 nits, while the inner screen reaches 1300 nits. Both also support 4320 Hz risk-free dimming. Whether it's the inner or outer screen, the clarity and eye protection experience are exceptional. The screen also features a cutting-edge technology, 1.5% professional-grade ultra-low reflectivity supported by both displays. In highly reflective outdoor and indoor environments, whether reading ebooks or watching movies, it reduces ambient light reflection, making the display clearer than regular screens. When the screen is off, it's a deeper black, instantly making this screen feel much more premium. Regarding wear resistance, this diamond polyolefin glass performs incredibly. We directly used a steel wool pad with a wear tester for aggressive rubbing. After 10 minutes of continuous abuse, the screen remained pristine, with no scratches or hazing. This generation of diamond polyolefin glass has 15 times better scratch resistance. Now, those who prefer using their phones without a case can truly rest assured. The outer screen is tough, but what about the inner? Foldable screens essentially have two core issues, creases and durability. The Magic V6 inner screen has been upgraded to a new generation of ultra-tough UTG glass. When new, the crease is barely visible to the naked eye, and from all angles, the central crease is essentially invisible. We put it on a mechanical folding tester, challenging it to 100,000 folds. This test device can fold about 30,000 times a day. Repeated folding severely tests the hinge's reliability. After 4 days of continuous testing, 100,000 folds were quickly completed. 100,000 folds simulate about 3 years of opening and closing. After testing, the hinge's hover function was normal, and its damping feel was also excellent. If the material strength is insufficient, the hinge will feel loose. This is thanks to the Magic V6's Lube and Forge bone steel hinge, which boasts a 2800 megapascal yield strength. It effectively resists wear during high-frequency folding, keeping the hinge like new, even after 100,000 folds. And looking at its crease, you'll see the overall change is minimal. The new generation of ultra-tough UTG glass is more rigid, and the inner screen remains flat after high-frequency testing. Our tests exceed real-world usage scenarios. Even as a main phone, you won't fold it 100 times in a day. After 3 years and 100,000 simulated folds, the Magic V6 remains as flat as new. Next, we'll look at a test many are concerned about, its drop resistance. Due to their structure, folding screens are very vulnerable to drops. This is a reproducible drop test using a standard mechanical pen. The test height is 1.65 meters, a drop scenario tougher than real life. We don't just drop it once, but 30 consecutive times. If it survives one fall by luck, luck won't grant you 30 chances. After the test, the entire device was inspected, outer screen intact, hinge smooth, and the folding mechanism showed no displacement. Our new Honor King Kong glass truly embeds anti-reflection, drop, and wear resistance into its DNA. But what about the inner screen? After all, the inner screen is the most vulnerable part of a foldable phone. We subjected the inner screen to targeted drop and impact tests. Even when unfolded and dropped vertically from 1.6 meters, the Magic V6's inner display remained flawless. This is thanks to its new generation of ultra-tough UTG glass, combined with multi-layer impact-resistant cushioning materials, significantly enhancing the inner screen's reliability. This combination of internal and external hardcore armor finally allows users to stop being so cautious and truly enjoy their device freely. The final test is waterproofing. The Magic V6 supports IP68 and IP69 protection. IP68 is for daily water resistance, while IP69 offers high-pressure jet protection. Today, let's put the Magic V6 to the washing machine test. After the test, we opened the phone, and the entire device was still working normally, with no obvious water damage. The camera was fine, and calls were also normal. Before, buying a foldable phone was about novelty, but after so many rounds of torture, the Magic V6 is truly impressive. The Jigen Black Diamond screen handles scratches and drops. Lube and Forge bone steel solves creases and ensures longevity. Plus, with dual-grade water resistance, all the unreliable shortcomings of foldable screens have been completely addressed. If previous foldables were an exploration, then this generation is a truly mature foldable grand slam. It's no longer a demanding parent you need to pamper, but a flagship foldable you can confidently put through its paces.